Leather seats, bags, and accessories add luxury and elegance to your lifestyle. But without proper care, they can quickly lose their charm. Leather conditioner vs. Protectant. Which one is better for keeping your leather in top shape? Both products serve different purposes and are crucial in their own way. In this video, we'll break down the differences, benefits, and when to use each, so you can ensure your leather stays supple, durable, and looking fantastic for years to come. What is leather conditioner? Leather conditioner is designed to nourish and hydrate leather, keeping it soft and supple. Over time, leather can dry out and crack, especially with exposure to sun, heat, or frequent use. This is where leather conditioner comes in. It replenishes the natural oils that leather loses over time, helping to restore its flexibility and smooth texture.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
What is leather protectant? Leather protectant, on the other hand, focuses on providing a protective barrier against external elements such as dirt, UV rays, and moisture. While conditioner hydrates and nourishes the leather, a protectant creates a shield on the surface that repels spills, stains, and environmental damage. Key differences: leather conditioner vs. Protectant. The main difference between leather conditioner vs. Protectant lies in their purpose. Conditioners focus on hydration and rejuvenation, while protectants focus on prevention. A conditioner keeps the leather soft, prevents it from cracking, and can even restore its original luster if it's looking a bit dull. On the other hand, a protectant shields the leather from harmful external elements, such as water, dirt, and UV rays. In terms of application, leather conditioner is usually massaged into the surface, allowing it to soak in and soften the leather. Protectants are typically sprayed on or wiped over the surface, forming a thin protective layer. When should you use leather conditioner? Leather conditioner is essential when your leather is showing signs of dryness, stiffness, or cracking. If your leather has started to feel rough or looks dull, applying a good conditioner can help restore its supple texture and enhance its natural sheen. It's best to use conditioner every 3 to 6 months, depending on how frequently the leather is used and exposed to the elements. For example, if your leather car seats are starting to feel stiff or are showing signs of wear, conditioning them will help restore their softness and prevent further damage. When should you use leather protectant? Leather protectant is best used as a preventive measure. It should be applied to newly purchased leather items or after conditioning. If you live in an area with harsh sun, rain, or dust, using a protectant can help prevent your leather goods from prematurely aging or staining. It's also perfect for keeping leather clean and protected from everyday spills. Protectant can be reapplied more frequently, especially if your leather is exposed to harsh conditions. Regular use of a protectant can keep your leather looking brand new, preventing wear and tear. Which one should you choose? In an ideal world, you should be using both leather conditioner and protectant, but it depends on the condition of your leather. If your leather needs moisture and flexibility, go for a conditioner. If your leather is relatively new or you want to protect it from the elements, use a protectant. For long-lasting results, consider using both. Condition your leather every few months and apply a protectant after conditioning to ensure it stays shielded from environmental damage. Whether you're restoring old leather or protecting new items, knowing when to use leather conditioner vs. protectant is key. Combining the two ensures your leather remains soft, durable, and protected from the elements. Keep your leather looking its best for years to come with the right products and care.